Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Kitchen Corner by Ziporongera. In this episode, we are going to make spiced fries in under 10 minutes. This is a quick and easy recipe in case you're tired of eating plain fries like the normal ones. So first of all, you're going to start by washing and cutting your potatoes in desired shapes. No judgment here. And then we're going to marinate our fries with periperi seasoning, garam masala, cayenne powder, and royco. Don't be ashamed to put enough of your spices. Back ancestors wakwambia imetosha. But if you love chili, you can always add more. And for my fries, I'm not going to season with any salt because salt draws out moisture and water from the potatoes and our spices won't combine well. Mix your spices well, and as for me, I prefer using my hands so that I can mix well in case of crumbs and whatnot. So I made 2 batches so that it's easier for me to mix ndio nikoroge vizuri, and repeat in the second batch whatever you did in the first batch. Again, don't add any salt.
Take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put her ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know, yeah, if you're down. Love you cause I'm showing up with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from there, that's what I want. Try to break you down like you. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, is it lust if you down? I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put her ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know if you down.
After our potatoes are marinated, transfer in a sufuria without adding any water or salt or oil and cook in high heat for like 5 minutes while continue turning to avoid the fries from sticking to the sufuria. This ensures that all the spices that we just marinated with are absorbed by the fries. Let it cook for like 5 minutes on high heat, and then we're going to remove from the sufuria and set aside.
We all with all the awards, but if you down, every couple goals, if you down. When I attention, we go down if you down. Just let me know, yeah. Don't wanna make me need more weight, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. You hold me down, yeah. No, I make many more ways, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a rave. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. Hold me down. Cause if you down, I can take you on the cross if you down.
Put another pan or sufuria, but for my case, I'm going to use karai because karai inakausha chipo vizuri, like it makes it more crispy. It uses less heat and it's actually more economical. On high heat, and bring your oil to be hot or undesirable for frying your chips. In order for you to know if your oil is hot enough, you can put a few chips in, and if they float faster, that means your oil is good to go. Or another method is by dipping your cooking stick in the hot oil, and if it forms bubbles, that means you're good to go. Put your chips in the hot oil and don't mix the fries. Let them cook for like 15 minutes in hot oil until they are dry, like zimekauka kabisa. Unasikianga hiyo saying ati acha chips hazijakauka, so that way like mpaka zikuwe crispy ndio, ama ziachane ndio you can turn, but at the moment don't turn the chipo.
If you down, could take you on a cruise if you down. I might put that ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Let me know, cause if you down, we gon' win all the awards if you down. We couple goals if you down. When I touch down, we go down if you down. Just let me know if you're down. I can take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put that ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know if you're down. We gon' win all the awards if you're down. Couple goals if you're down. When I touch down, we go down if you're down.
If you want to know your chips are almost ready, you see these ones, they are sinking. Wait a minute. You see these ones, they are floating majority of it. So inamaanisha zimekauka, like they are that crispy, they are dry enough. So when they are like that, you can turn a bit so they won't even crumble. The reason why I've been saying you don't turn your chips I mean, is that they will crumble. So for these ones, once they are dry, they won't crumble, they'll remain crispy. So after that, you're done with the first batch. You're done making chips, and then you remove from the from the oil, and then repeat this entire process until all your fries are done, the ones that you had marinated, until all are done. And man,
if you're down, I could take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put an ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules.
So after you're done, this is how they're supposed to look. They look spectacular. They taste even better. Serve while hot and with your preferable drink of choice, and enjoy. Also, guys, tell me, where do you put your tomato sauce or your ketchup? On the side of the plate or on top of your fries? Like, just comment down on what you do to your tomato sauce or ketchup. I'm so excited that you've stayed till the end of the video. I'm so happy. I hope you tried this recipe, and I hope you tell me your feedback. Till next time, bye bye. Thank you for watching this video up to the end. Bye bye. See you next time on another episode of Kitchen Corner, and comment down on what you want me to cook for you. Let's make this interesting. Bye.